Imagine being able to detect cancer, deadly viruses, and monitor hearts with your smartphones. This seems a bit far-fetched, but we are not far from this future. The way of achieving this goal is through biosensors. Biosensors are devices that can detect any biological response, from breathing to the molecules produced in your cells, and turn it into data that human and machine can understand. Biosensor usually consists of two parts: bioreceptors and biotransducer. Bioreceptors are molecules that can detect specific biological property called analyte. For example, the sugar level in the blood can be considered as analyte. The bioreceptors molecules such as enzymes will break down the analyte to give signals in the form of electrons and other molecules, which then can be measured by a biotransducer. Biotransducers are molecules that can measure any signals given by bioreceptors and convert it into a form that can be understood by machine, computer, or human. So, we know about biosensors. Then how can we use it? Turns out humans have been using this knowledge to build many useful inventions that people and doctors can't live without today. Examples of biosensors found today include MRI machine to creating detailed images of human tissue and organ, glucometer, a device for diabetic patient to measure glucose level in blood, and the infamous X-ray machines which detect bones. There are many types of biosensor which uses many different mechanisms like electrochemical biosensor, immunobiosensors, piezoelectric biosensors, and thermometric biosensor.
But the most promising biosensors is optical biosensor. It uses light and other electromagnetic spectrum to scan and measure biological responses in the body. The reason it is so widely sought out is because it is non-invasive and relatively easy to use. Molecules in our body absorb, refract, and reflect different wavelengths. With a light source, a detector, and a simple algorithm, optical biosensor can map out a person's body in detail with needing a surgery prior. Optical biosensors can also give result in an instant rather than other types of biosensors which would require time. The mechanism has already been implemented in some small uses like reading oxygen level in pulse oximetry and pulses with current smartwatches and some smartphones. Soon, researchers are going to be able to detect more significant signals like tumor growth and mapping brain activity using optical biosensors. And since all it needs is light and some detectors, maybe a smartphone that can scan your entire health is not that far-fetched.